We'll learn how to create a dynamic field map in Microsoft Excel. As you are seeing my screen, I have created this dynamic field map for different states of India to show the population, density and area. This is the dynamic map. You can see as of now I have selected the population. So this map is displaying the population. Dark color is for high population and light color is for low population. And to see the density wise map, you can simply click on density in slicer. Then this chart will be changed by the density, and similarly by area. Now this chart is by area. We can select any state also. Let's say Andhra Pradesh or Arunachal Pradesh or Assam, Bihar, etc. Then the map will be changed accordingly. To get the data on this map, I have connected it with the Wikipedia, and here you can see from this Wikipedia page I am taking the information, and this is live connected with this table. As soon as the information will be changed in this table, and if you will refresh the data from here, data and refresh all, your map will be changed automatically. So in this video I will explain you how to connect your chart or your table using the Power Query with Wikipedia or any other website. And I will also explain you how to create the multi-country chart. Like here I have displayed different sales for United States, and this is the map for United States, and we have different states here. We can select any states to see the information for that state and the map of that states. And we can select India from here, then the map will be changed to India, and now we can select the state of the India to see the sales. Alright, now I'll show you the data for the sales. Here we have taken, let me remove the filter from here. This is country, state and the sales in million. Alright, this data is coming from this table, and now I'll show you the data for the population, density and area. That data is available here, and let me clear the filter from here. We have state and the value and the metric like population, area and density. So here we have this information, but this information is coming from the Wikipedia page, this one, using the Power Query. Now I'm going to add a new workbook. Press Ctrl N. This is the book 1. Here you can see. Now I will copy the URL of this web page. Then I will go to the data and I will go to the get data, go to the from other sources, and I'll go to the from web. Just paste the URL here, click on OK. Now here we will select the table and select first one. So this is not that information. Now we will select this one. So this is the information which we need. So we will click on transform data. It will take you to the Power Query editor window. So this is the Power Query editor, and now here we will transform our data. So you can see the first row is the header. Alright, so let's promote this row to the header. So what we will do, we will go to the home tab and we will select this option which is use first row as headers. Just click here. Now this is the headers. Alright, so we need 4 columns here. The first one is state, population, then we need the area and we need the density. You can take any other column also if you want to take, but for now I am taking these columns only. So what I will do, I'll go to the home, then I will go to the choose column. Just click here and this choose column window will be opened. Just unselect all columns, choose state or union territory, then I will select population, then I will select here area and density. Click on OK. So we have only 4 columns here. Alright. Now this area is text. Here you can see some text is available. We need only this number. So how we can remove the other information? We will select this one and we will extract all numbers available before this K. So if you will see, this kilometer is available everywhere. So I will extract all the information before K. So what I will do, I'll select this column, then I'll go to the transform, then I will go to the extract, and here I will select this option which is text before delimiter. Now I'll put my delimiter here which is K in small case. Click on OK. Here you can see. Now we have only numbers. Similarly, for the density, we can extract all the numbers before this slash. So if you will see, this is the population 828 per kilometer, but we need only numbers. So what I will do, I'll go to the transform, extract, and text before delimiter, and we will extract before slash. Just click on OK. Now you can see we have only numbers, but the data type for these two columns is still text. So what I will do, I'll select this one, I'll change the data type as, let's say, decimal number. Similarly here also. Alright, now we have these three columns. So I will select these three columns together using the shift key. Just select first one, then press the shift key and select the last one. All the columns will be selected. Or alternatively, you can select this column. So apart from this column, for other columns we want to make unpivot. So either you can select these three columns, you can go to the transform and unpivot column, or you can select this column only and you can go to the unpivot columns, and you can say here unpivot other columns. So now you can see the columns has been unpivot. This is the attribute now, population, area, density, and for Uttar Pradesh there are three records now. The first one is state Uttar Pradesh, attribute population, and then value for the population. Then again it is for the area, and this is value for the area. This is for density and this is value for density. So now let me change it as, let's say, metric, and here let's keep it value. Alright, now we can load this. Let's click on close and load. So we have our data here, and this is now live connection with the Wikipedia page. We can simply right click and refresh this anytime. You can see it is refreshing the query and data is coming from there. Now we will plot our field map. Now let's select the entire table, go to the insert, then go to the charts and maps and insert this map. Alright, so here you can see it is displaying the India's map, but we have to change some information here. So let me right click here, go to the select data, and it is displaying here matrix and value, and on the horizontal axis it is showing state. So what I will do, I don't need this metric here, just remove this, click on OK. Now let me go to the map, it is available here. We can see the multiple colors. So just select this map, cut this, press Ctrl X, go to the sheet 1 and paste this here. Just keep this here, change the size, right click, go to the select data again, edit the value, and here you can see color wise secondary category name is selected. Just select the first one, which is color wise numeric value, click on OK. OK. Now here you can see the color is by the numeric value now. And now what I will do, I'll go to this table, just select the table, go to the insert, and then go to the slicer. Select this state and the metric, OK, and select both the slicers, press Ctrl X, go to the sheet 1, paste this here. Now let's keep this here. You can select this slicer for the metric slicer, go to the slicer, let's keep 3 columns here. Right click, go to the slicer setting and just uncheck display headers from here. Alright, let's go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. Now let's select the population, then this chart will be changed by the population. Now this time density and this time by area. We can change the color of the chart. So what we can do, just select the chart, go to the chart design, and from here we can choose any design also, whatever we want to take. And we can change the color also. Let's choose the color from here. You can choose any color. So let's take this one and let's take this design. Now you can see it is getting changed. Just right click, go to the format data series. You can change the color from here also and go to the series color. You can choose 2 color or 3 color from here. like this, and you can give your color. Let's say for lowest I want to give this green, for midpoint let's give this yellow, and highest point you can give, let's say, this one, or let's give this red one. You can add the data label here. Just click on this plus icon and show the data label. So data labels are available here. You can see, you can right click, go to the format data series. Here the map label best fit only, and let's change the color also. Let's choose the two color only. The first, let's just light color, and this for the dark. Alright, now I will select, let's say, density or area. Then I can select any state from here. You can see it is getting changed, and we can see the name and the label also. Alright friends, so that is how you can create this field map. Now I will tell you how can you create the field map for multiple countries. So here in this table I have taken this data. So let me remove this filter from here first. Copy all data from here and let's paste this table here. You can put your actual data, whatever you want to put, and once you have the data, I will tell you, you can change the data type also. It is available under data, and here you can see the geography. I have already changed. You can see the sign here. Otherwise you can select and click on geography. So the benefit of changing geographical data, if you need the further information, you can always click on this add column button, and you can get the other information also, like area or birth rate or population. Just click here, then you can see the population has been filled for that respective state. You can fill the other information also. Alright, so whatever information you want to take, you can take it. Let me undo this, but for now I'm creating the chart on this sales number. So let me select these two columns only, then go to the insert and go to the field map and select the field map. You can see it is highlighting the state for United States and for India. Now let me cut this chart and let me move to the new worksheet so that I can create a big chart here. Let's make it slightly bigger. I'll go to this table again, and then I'll go to the table design, and from here we can insert a slicer for country and state. Just select both slicer, press Ctrl X, go to the sheet 4 and paste this slicer here. Now if I will select India, then it will highlight the India's map only. If I will select United States, it will highlight the United States map only. We can add the data label. Select the chart, go to the data labels. The data labels have been added for the sales in million, and we can display the labels also. Go to the format data series, and here we can display the labels, which is best fit. Or you can select this show all also, then all will be displayed, and this 3 lapses will be displayed wherein name could not display the completely, or best fit only. Alright, there are few other options are available, like you can change the map projection, whatever you want to see. Let's say this one or this one, or let's say this one. Let me keep it automatic. You can change the map area. Let's say if you want to display only region with the data, if data is not available somewhere, then you don't want to display that. Or if you want to show the country and region, or if you want to show the multiple countries and region, then the map will look like this. Or we can select the word, then entire word map will be displayed. Alright, so let's keep it automatic, and we can change the series color also. We can display 2 colors, or we can display 3 colors also. Let's say I'm seeing for minimum sale, let's display red color. For midpoint, let's display this orange color. For maximum, let's display this green color. Then our chart will look like this. We can select the India, then it will display the India map, and we can select any state from India. It will look like this, and we can select the United States, and we can select any specific state. The map will be changed. Alright friends, so friends, that is how you can create the field map in Microsoft Excel. You need to have the Office 365 subscription to create the field map and geographical data type from here. Further, you can use this to get the geographical information for any city, state or country. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.